How to change the figure size of a seaborn axis or figure level plot. How do I change the size of my image so it's suitable for printing? For example, I'd like to use 2A4 paper, whose dimensions are 11.7 inches by 8.27 inches in landscape orientation.
You need to create the matplotlib figure and axis objects ahead of time, specifying how big the figure is.
You can also set figure size by passing dictionary to RC parameter with key figure.figsize in seaborn set method. Other alternative may be to use figure.figsize of workparams to set figure size as below. More details can be found in matplotlib documentation.
Note that if you are trying to pass to a figure-level method in seaborn, for example lnplot, catplot, factorplot, jointplot, you can and should specify this within the arguments using height and aspect. See this URL, and plotting with seaborn using the matplotlib object-oriented interface for more details on the fact that figure-level methods do not obey axis specifications.
First import matplotlib and use it to set the size of the figure.